Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Dragon City app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click on settings, it's going to show for you a list like this here. So then you go down, just keep going down here. You click here on apps, come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Dragon City app. So in here you click on search, then here at Dragon search city, it's going to show for you like this here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. So then you click here on for stop here, then you click here on OK, then you go down, just click here on storage, counter storage this here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone, install it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.